Hello everyone, my name is Salim and welcome to the Mineral Markets Breakdown Analysis for Wednesday, the 29th of March 2023. We'll be breaking down the chart and we'll show you the exact zones where price could close above for potential buys or close below for potential sells as well. So looking at previous daily candle closing in bullish form in a new daily support around 1956 300. Now dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, what we can see is we have the most recent 4-hour support at 1950 100. We have the most recent 4-hour resistance, which is a weak 4-hour resistance around 1974 100. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have this recent 1-hour support around 1973 100. We also have this resistance around 1974 800 on the hourly time frame. Now this is a really small range, so it'll be better to adjust it a little bit, but we're just going to break down the chart to the lower time frame and see what's going on. So on the 30-minute time frame, we have a same level of support and resistance, and on the 15-minute time frame, we have a same level of support and resistance. Now, this is a really small range to identify as a no trade zone. Obviously, we know with gold moves, those like big moves, so we need to allow enough range of price to consolidate before having like a nice volume session. So now to look for potential buys first. Possibly if price break and close above the previous daily high and the previous 1-hour resistance on the left, there is a higher probability for price to continue bullish. So potential buys could be above 1977 100. For potential sells, however, still this is a small range for price to consolidate, so we can adjust it based on the hourly time frame. So we could look for potential sells as price break and close below 1966 500, and this is going to be the no trade zone. And now to look for potential buyers, going back to the daily, what we can see is we have this daily resistance around 1993 500. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour previous support on the hourly time frame. We have this previous 1-hour support. We have a resistance around 1994, but that's a big range. On the 30-minute time frame, we have this 30-minute resistance around 1986 900. On the 15-minute time frame, we have a same level of resistance as well. So the first target for buys ideally is to target this previous 4-hour support around 1985 500, which also lines up with this hourly support as well. The second target for buys, as we know, price formed support on the daily time frame. The probability of price retesting this daily resistance could be still high. So the second target for buys would be 1993 800. Now to look for sells, going back to the daily, we formed a new support on Tuesday around 1956 400. Dropping down to the 4-hour time frame, we have this 4-hour support in here at 1950 100, but we also have this previous 4-hour resistance. Dropping down to the hourly time frame, we have hourly support around 1963 100. Dropping down to the 30-minute time frame, we have this 30-minute support around 1961 200. On the 15-minute time frame, we have a same level of support as well. So I'd say the first target for sells could possibly be 1960 200, targeting this previous 4-hour resistance, because that also lines up with this 30-minute support. The second target for sells could be, let's have a look. So we've got this 4-hour support. Actually, we have the daily support first. So as the daily closed bullish, forming new daily support, the probability of price retesting this daily support area is extremely high. So we don't know whether the price is going to retrace and reject this daily support. So it's ideally to have it as a second target for sells at 1956 200.